After logging in as an administrator, you can access the Employees option in the left menu, and then click on Add Employees to add an employee. When entering employee information, please ensure that you input the correct Social Security number, as it cannot be changed once the employee is saved. If you need to issue paychecks to this employee, please check the option Set up Payroll for this employee. Otherwise, leave this option unchecked, and you can skip payment, deduction, and tax option setup. If your state doesn't mandate the printing of paid time off benefits on pay stubs, or if you plan to handle PTO hours manually, you can skip this step. Otherwise, you should set up the PTO plans. For example, if the maximum paid sick time for 1 year is 40 hours, 5 days, the PTO accrual rate based on working hours should be 0.0192. Click the Next button to proceed. If the employee is paid a salary rate, simply select the Salary Employee option and enter the yearly salary. For example, if an employee receives $5,000 monthly, the yearly salary for 12 months would be $60,000. Alternatively, if the employee is paid by an hourly rate, uncheck the Salary Employee option and input the hourly pay rate. If there are any deductions to be withheld from the employee's paycheck, you can enter the amount or percentage value. Click the Next button to proceed. Moving on to federal tax information, remember that the IRS made significant changes to the W-4 form in 2020, eliminating the use of allowances. If an employee submitted a W-4 form after 2020, select the Using W-4 2020 or later option. In case your state imposes state taxes, input the state tax information as required. Now, it's time to select employee tax options. If an employee has a special tax status, you have the option to uncheck taxes that don't apply to them. For example, nonprofits and churches that do not need to deduct FICA taxes for clergy members, and some employees can uncheck the Social Security tax and Medicare tax options. Click the Next button to proceed. Once all the information is entered, click the Finish button to save this employee's details. After saving, you'll find the newly added employee in the employee list. A confirmation message will be sent to the employee's email account after you click the Finish button. Your employee needs to click the confirmation link inside that message to complete the registration. This will allow them to log into the system for clock in and clock out. Thank you for watching this guide. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on the Halfpricesoft site support page. We are glad to assist you as soon as possible.